What's up guys, it's Diana Keuilian with Fit Body Bootcamp. Today we're making a bacon-wrapped chicken breast in the slow cooker with tons of fall flavors. It's super easy to make. Here's what you need: 2 sweet potatoes, 3 apples, 1 tablespoon coconut sugar, 1/3 a cup of no sugar added barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 4 skinless boneless chicken breasts, 8 slices of turkey bacon. Skin the sweet potatoes and slice into half moons. Slice the turkey bacon in half. Wrap each chicken breast with 4 strips. Seed and dice the apples. In a medium bowl, combine the barbecue sauce, coconut sugar, and lemon juice. Mix in the apples. Add the sweet potatoes to your slow cooker. Top with the chicken and top with the apples. Cover and cook for 4 to 6 hours and enjoy.